Hi, welcome to another episode of Homescape Realty. For today's video, we are here in BF Homes, Parañaque City to show you this modern tropical home. But first, click subscribe and follow us on our social media accounts. And please visit our website at www.homescaperealty.com.ph for complete property listings. Let's begin our tour. As you notice, no, different type of house tour yung gagawin natin, and let's check kung ano mas detailed and okay para sa mga viewers natin. On the left side of the property, the entrance for your 3 to 4 vehicle carport, and on the right side, ito naman yung inyong garden lot na tinatawag with already your landscape garden, so to add some welcoming vibe before we enter dito sa inyong pedestrian gate. By the way, for the orientation, facing east. For the flooring dito sa labas ng property or the outdoor part, porcelain tiles with rough texture para non-skid sa mga dadaan in this space. As we enter from your pedestrian gate, you will be greeted by your porch and main door, your landscape garden dito sa right side of the property, all throughout dun sa side garden sa right side going at the back of the house, which is nandun yung inyong common area and the room for your staff. Huge window to add some natural light dito sa inyong living space. Rockscape in this area with your bonsai. Ganda ng vibe in this area. And the location of your 3 to 4 vehicle carport. So for this gate, it also has provision for an automation. So, mas madali gamitin in the future. So, bifold yung bukas nito. Ito yung area for your third or yung pinaka-pang-apat na sasakyan ninyo. Yung mga huge van kasya in this space. Later on, tignan natin yung likuran ng property. You also have your high ceiling dito sa 4 vehicle carport with your trellis with wood grain design. And going back dito sa inyong porch area, ito yung view coming from your main door, fronting dito sa rockscape and your landscape garden. For the material used dito sa inyong solid wood main door, mahogany with your stainless pull handles and side viewing panels on either side. So this is a facing east property, kaya meron tayong mga windows dito sa harapan. By the way, welcome to your home. From the main door, upon entering your porch or your foyer with your shelves as your division dun sa inyong stairs, and pwede nyo rin lagyan ng inyong mga ornaments, trophies, or kung ano man yung gusto nyo. On the right side, upon entering from your main door, ito yung inyong receiving or living space. You can also notice lots of natural light coming from your huge sliding windows on either side. You also have your cove ceiling design with provision for your chandelier. AC or split type AC already installed. And dito sa common area, dito sa loob ng property, you also have your CCTV. The location of your television set. And at the back, itong inyong powder room. You have your vanity area or your lavatory together with your vanity mirror and your water closet. And coming from your living space, punta tayo dito sa inyong dining and kitchen. But first, one of my favorite part or feature nitong property, of course, your elevator. Very convenient gamitin up to the second level, especially dun sa mga taong or family member na ayaw nang gumamit ng stairs. So we have your space there, pero later na yan, tignan natin yung inyong bedroom 1, but unahin muna natin to. So this is your dining space. Pwede kayong maglagay ng 8 to 10 seater dining table. Lots of natural light. Ganda rin ng airflow in this area because of your huge sliding door. You have your cove ceiling design and your AC already installed. Liwanag ng ganda ng space. Okay, so ito yung inyong sliding door. Again, you have your CCTV camera. For the material used dito sa ating mga sliding door, these are high-grade aluminum and tempered glass. Ito yung inyong side garden dito sa right side of the property. Punta tayo dito sa back part. Again, side garden. You also have your cistern tank. Ito. Ayan, stainless. Going back, adjacent dito sa inyong dining area is your main kitchen. Okay, for our main kitchen, you have your U-shaped counter. Or for this breakfast nook, movable din ito. Well, depende sa inyo kung paano nyo gustong gamitin. You can utilize this space as your informal dining. Kasya dito yung inyong 2 kitchen stools. For our countertop, man-made quartz yung ginamit nila. Medyo may pagka-grayscale. Ang ganda rin nun. It has some contrast dito sa inyong brown cabinet. Lots of counter space for food preparation. Ang ganda rin ng natural light and airflow if kunyari man may heavy cooking kayo. For the base and hanging cabinets, these are modular. You already have your integrated appliances. Your range hood together with your 4 induction cook hub. Your multi-purpose sink. And one of our new sink na very functional, no? Ganda. And at the back, ito naman yung inyong integrated appliances like your Elba oven or microwave and oven. Together with your 4-door refrigerator, LG brand. And itong katabi is your floor-to-ceiling cabinet for your storage or the pantry. And kung nyari naman, no, ayaw nyo maamoy yung lulutuin nyo rito in this space or medyo mainit, well, depende sa preference na magiging owner nitong property, we have this space. Your auxiliary kitchen. The area for your second refrigerator. And by the way, we have this swing door. So, meron tayong division in this space. So, kunyari man gagamit kayo ng AC, hindi masasayang yung temperature or yung lamig sa loob nitong inyong dining area. Additional counter for food preparation space dito sa inyong auxiliary kitchen. Your 3 gas burners already installed together with your range hood. Lots of cabinet space or storage space. These are modular. We also have this toilet and bath for your staff. Ganon din for their room but currently nakalock ito. Pero mamaya pakita ko sa inyo through the window. And your lavatory or yung sink dito sa inyong laundry area. So you also have this front load dryer and washing machine already included to the selling price. And kung titingnan nyo, no, one of this feature, itong yung pinaka-importanting part, although hindi mo mapapansin, itong inyong steel door, so hindi ito mabilis masira or hindi nabubulok kapag may gumagamit ng washing machine or nababasa in this space. So very thoughtful ng owner. And we have this door for your driver. So kunyari man you have your driver, ito yung inyong male staff quarters. Okay. Ang labas natin is dito sa inyong 4th vehicle carport. Tingnan natin yung other side nitong property. Yan. So, ito yung doon tayo pumasok kanina going inside doon sa may inyong dining and kitchen area. Going back. Again, you have your elevator. And dito sa ilalim na stairs, we have this storage. But currently, nandito yung machine ninyo para dun sa elevator. So, ito yung inyong bedroom 1. For the bedroom 1, we have 3 windows. So, dito yung inyong king size bed or your queen size bed. Cove ceiling design. Huge window fronting dito sa 3 to 4 vehicle carport. The location of your television set. And your ensuite toilet and bath. You also have your AC and your floor-to-ceiling cabinet for your storage. Coming from your bedroom 1, let's go up. For the stairs, solid wood for the steps and riser. Ganon din with our handrails. Together with your stainless balustrades and your tempered glass. We also have step lights installed. And dito sa second floor, we have the total of 4 bedrooms. You also have this common area. So, pwede nyo gamitin ito as the family area facing dito sa inyong balcony with your aluminum sliding door and tempered glass. For the flooring dito sa second floor, floorboards or laminated wood with wood grain design. And of course, itong inyong elevator, but currently medyo may mga ginagawa pa sila dyan. Lots of natural light in this area coming from your balcony. And this is your bedroom 2 or the master bedroom. You have your cove ceiling design. The location of your bed frame. Huge glass wall facing dito sa facade ng property. The location of your television set and the monitor or the machine para dito sa inyong CCTV camera. You also have your split type AC and your cabinet for your storage. And on this side, ito naman yung inyong walk-in closet. And your master toilet and bath. Your water closet, shower space with enclosure, and your lavatory with vanity mirror and cabinet. And tingnan natin yung other rooms. So coming from your bedroom 2 or the master bedroom, your family area, and your balcony. Tingnan naman natin yung other side. So this is your bedroom 3. For the bedroom 3, facing pa rin din sa facade ng property, the location of your bed frame, your television set, or the area for your television set, your split type AC, your walk-in closet, and your ensuite toilet and bath. Going back dito sa common area sa second floor, your bedroom 3 or bedroom 4. The location of your bed frame in that space, ayan. 3 windows in this room. Ito yung area for your television set. Your split type AC. And your ensuite toilet and bath. You have your floor-to-ceiling cabinet for your storage. And lastly, your bedroom 4. You have your walk-in closet, floor-to-ceiling cabinet, and division na rin ito going to your bedroom or dito sa bedroom 5 ninyo. The location of your mattress, your cove ceiling design with provision for a hanging light, the area for your television set, and your split type AC. Currently, nakalock lang itong access door going to your toilet and bath. So, hindi natin mabubuksan. Windows, lots of windows in this bedroom. And that concludes our open house tour for today of this brand new modern tropical home located here in BF Homes, Parañaque City. If you think this is the right home for you, you may contact us anytime at the numbers listed below the screen. For more details, visit our social media accounts and our website at www.homescaperealty.com.ph. Again, my name is Dean and this has been Homescape Realty, your guide to your real estate needs. Thank you and see you next week.